Hello everyone, welcome to the Fulllearn Academy and MTech Software. I am Kapil Sa, and in the series of week gone by, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So we have seen the month end also. The March month got complete. So in a March month, we have seen a perfect doji candle. From past 3 months, we kept on seeing certain kind of large wicks over there. So wicks represents in selling pressure, but in spite of the selling pressure, prices are not able to violate. It's in the immediate support level. So yes, means on a broader scale, we can say that the momentum is still on the positive side. In spite of the selling pressure, buyers are not giving up their ground because there is a no lower high and low low sequence or violations of a previous month's low that we are witnessing over here. So momentum remains on the high side. On a weekly chart, if we see that this is what in truncated week we had just three trading sessions over there. Within that three trading sessions, Nifty has improved near about by 2.5%. So actually that was a good move. If we pay a little bit minute attentions, we can say that means there is a kind of a lower high, lower low sequences getting formed on the chart. Means let's say this is what a weekly chart, and we are seeing such kind of formations. And again, the prices has picked up its momentum on the high side. But if we pay attention to our line chart, so here we can understand that means so on a higher time frame, it has a certain kind of a range. So let me connect the low point. So this is what are points that we have witnessed, low point, and which is role reversal level exactly means 14,500, which used to be resistance earlier. Once it is broken out, prices has taken a support at this level. On an intra week basis, those levels has violated, but on a week on week basis, 14,500 level remain intact. So from a midterm perspective, we can say that as far as the prices are sustaining above a 14,500 level on a closing basis, things are fine. But weekly closing below the 14,500 level will negate some kind of a negativity. Now the same thing, I am coming to the daily time frame. So in a daily time frame, prices has started to pick up its momentum, and within these three trading sessions, there was a kind of the upside momentum that also we have witnessed. The broader range for the market has remained, let's say, 15,200 on the high side, fine, and of 14,500 level on the low side. So 15,200 to 14,500 remain, that is the range for a midterm perspective, we can say. But by coming on the lower time frame, we can shrink that particular band because prices have started to pick up its momentum over here, and this is a good momentum that has taken up place over here. But by the same time, we can see one thing, that prices are struggling at 14,900 level. So on a couple of occasions, the prices has reverted from the 14,900 level. So yes, on the daily chart, there is an improvement is happening, but immediate resistance that we are facing is in 14,900 level. So the next round of positivity we can expect when the prices are sustaining above the 14,900 level, because it has acted as a multiple number of times prices has reacted from this level. And on the low side, this is what in one technical pattern also we can say on the line chart. So on the low side, as far as the prices are sustaining above this level, that is in a 14,680 level, which is in a bottom point of the change of color that has happened over here. So 14,800 level indicates the immediate support level, which has acted in support level in previous instances also. That means a couple of times the prices has taken the resistance over here, it has taken the support over here, and right now 14,680 is the level. So on a daily chart, we can understand that, and for a coming week, the key levels or key range for a short-term perspective is the 14,900 level on the high side and 14,680 level on the downside. Bias is a sideways to positive bias, we can means we can say, but once the prices have started to pick up its momentum above the 14,900 level, then it will confirm the second round of improvement without violating the 14,900 level, and prices are coming down and moving below the 14,680 level. So it creates a certain kind of a selling pressure. So 680 level is in a daily support level. On the weekly chart, we have seen that means 14,500 level. So that can be the next best support level over there. Breach of a 14,500 level on the lower side on the weekly basis, it will indicate a short-term negativity. But these are the levels to come by. But as of now, at this point, view remains positive from a short-term perspective as far as the prices are above the 14,680 level. From a mid-term perspective, the view remains in positive as far as the market is above the 14,500 level. And from the immediate perspective, the current level are at a resistance level. Move above the 40,900 level will confirm the fresh momentum. So these are the key levels for coming week. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the education purpose only. Thank you so much.